Comets are ancient time capsules, icy, dusty leftovers from the solar system's earliest days. Up close, they're surprisingly dark and rocky, with ices locked inside and crusts sculpted by sunlight. Their mix includes water ice, carbon dioxide and monoxide, ammonia, dust, and complex carbon-rich organics. Most comets come from two distant reservoirs, the Kuiper belt beyond Neptune and the far-flung Oort cloud. A passing star or planet's tug can jostle an ice ball inward, beginning a journey that can take millennia. Near the sun, ices vaporize. Gas and dust erupt as jets, creating a glowing atmosphere called the coma. Sunlight pushes dust into a broad tail, while the solar wind pulls ionized gas into a narrow straight tail. Tails always point away from the sun, not behind the comet's path, because radiation and plasma shove them. Spinning jets act like tiny thrusters, subtly changing orbits and sometimes splitting weakened comets. Spacecraft have met comets up close. Rosetta orbited 67P, Philae tried to land, and Deep Impact punched a crater to sample dust. NASA's Stardust even brought back particles from Comet Wild 2, tiny grains captured in airy aerogel. We group comets by period, short period return often, like Halley. Long period may visit once in a million years. Now and then, a bright traveler, like Neowise, graces dawn skies with a naked-eye tail. Some comets glow green from energized carbon molecules, a color that fades before reaching the tail. A few break apart. In 1994, Shoemaker Levy 9 shattered and slammed into Jupiter in a chain of fireballs. Even dust can dazzle. Earth plows through old comet trails to spark meteor showers like the Perseids and Leonids. Each shower matches a parent comet, names you'll recognize when those meteors streak overhead. Comet dust carries carbon chemistry. Some scientists think comets help deliver water and organics to early Earth. Paths are stretched ovals. Closest approach is perihelion. That's usually when a comet flares brightest. Best viewing? After sunset or before dawn with the sun safely below the horizon. Never point optics near the sun. Nuclei range from house-sized chunks to mountains across. Most are a few kilometers wide. Surfaces crack, slump, and cave as ices retreat, carving pits that vent gas like geysers in vacuum. Occasionally a faint sodium tail appears, a third delicate streamer made from vaporized sodium atoms. We've even seen interstellar visitors. Borisov looked like a normal comet. Oumuamua remained a puzzling oddball. Giant planets can reroute comets, capturing, flinging, or breaking them with tidal stress. Hazard to Earth is small but real. Observatories track new objects and refine orbits as data improves. Automated surveys scan the sky nightly, catching new comets early so we can watch their stories unfold. A classic dirty snowball demo shows why comets shed jets. Sun-warmed ice turns to gas and blasts through cracks. Space weather can kink ion tails. A gusty solar wind redraws their shapes in minutes. After many passes, a comet can crust over and nap, looking asteroid-like until heat wakes it again. Brightness can surge unpredictably. Fresh cracks, rotating vents, or fragmenting pieces suddenly boost the glow. With binoculars or a small telescope, track a comet across constellations. Its position shifts nightly. Long exposures reveal graceful dust fans and sometimes a comet crossing a far-off galaxy's face. Dark skies matter. The moon and city lights can drown faint comets and tails, so plan your session. Water clues vary. Some comets match Earth's oceans, others don't, suggesting multiple sources for our water. Future missions aim to scoop new samples and read pristine chemistry from the solar system's cold pantry. Halley's Comet returns about every 76 years, a living calendar linking grandparents to grandchildren skywatchers. Mark the date for the next bright visitor. Shared skies make memories that last a lifetime. Remember the recipe? Far reservoirs, dark nuclei, sunlit comets and tails, dust that becomes shooting stars. In their brief visits, comets stitch deep time to tonight. Ancient ice, newborn light, one shared sky. They don't just decorate space, they teach us how worlds formed and where life's ingredients may have come from. Then as quickly as they flared, they fade, coasting back to the cold until the next close sun pass. If you ever meet one under dark skies, take your time. Let the tale lead your eyes into the stars. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this.